Hi children, today we will do after. What we will do after? Since we have done alphabets from A to Z, after means जो alphabet बाद में आता है, जो alphabets बाद में आता है. See, this is what A. What comes after A? A के बाद क्या आता है? B. What we say A, B. तो हम लोग A के बाद क्या बोलते हैं? B. तो what is the after of A? B. What is this? D. D, E. G, H. After of G is H. What is the after of J? K. When we say A, B, C, D, what we say? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So we say K. So what we will write here? K. Now what is this? M. After M comes N. After M comes N. What is this? P. What is the after of P? Q. After of P is Q. What is this? S. After of S is T. Now what is this? Q. What is the after of Q? R. After of Q is R. What is this? W. What is the after of W? X. After of W is X. Now see what is this? This is V. After of V is W. After of V is W. What is the after of Y? After Y comes Z. After Y comes Z. What is this? B. What is the after of B? C. What is this? E. What is the after of E? F. After of E is F. What is this? H. What is the after of H? I. After of H is I. What is this? K. After of K is L. What is this? N. What is the after of N? O. After of N is O. What is the after of T? After of T is U. I hope you understand. Thank you, children.